good morning to the vlog. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I feel like I haven't vlogged in quite some time, but yeah, we've just been taking some time to get settled into new routines with our new family member, and I really want to get back into the swing of vlogging. We are finally, you guys, like finally out of lockdown. It's actually been so long. Toronto has been in lockdown since November, so not gonna lie, I was losing my mind a little bit. I was going a little bit insane. We are allowed to go on patios. We still are not allowed to get our hair done. We're not allowed to get our nails done. Nothing like that is open. We can't go inside yet, but outdoor dining is open and everything is like slowly starting to open up. We can go to stores now, which is so exciting. Now that stores are open, we are gonna go shopping and get some more stuff for the apartment. My last moving vlog, we bought our new table and our new TV unit. The TV unit is looking super cute. We love her. There's still so much that I want to do to the apartment. So now that stores are open, we can start shopping and get some things. So today we're gonna go to IKEA. Brayden just left to go pick up the rental car. So we're gonna go to IKEA and we're gonna get some side tables for the bedroom. The bedroom is like kind of a mess right now, so don't judge me. We wanna get some side tables to put next to the bed because we actually have space for that in this apartment, which was pretty crazy. We never had space in our old bedroom, so we never got side tables, but I know the bed is pushed up against the wall, but there is tons of space on this wall. I just want to show you this because it's like really messy, but there really is lots of space. So we're gonna go pick up some side tables and some lamps. So yeah, I'm very excited. We're bringing Miko with us because literally everywhere is dog friendly here, and he's so little. He's a little 4-pound chihuahua, so little Miko's gonna come with us. I just moved this mirror from the bedroom and I put it here, like in the front little hallway area, and I think it actually looks pretty good. It's a tight squeeze, but let me know what you guys think. Like, does this look okay? Because I think it's nice because I can see my outfit before I leave. But does it look too squished? I'll show you, like, this is what it looks like. And maybe I'll put like a vase here with some pampas grass or something. Like, I could make it cute. Let me know what you guys think. But this is my outfit. Just these jeans from Princess Polly. This silk shirt is from Princess Polly. This little white top is from Aerie. Then I'm just wearing my platform Converse. I love these, they're so comfortable. I've also been loving my little cow print purse lately. I think it's so cute and fun. And then Miko's currently sitting on the tote that I need. Come on, buddy. Come on. Off the tote, please. And then I also have this little tote. And I just like to bring a little tote whenever we go somewhere for the day, just to put extra stuff in there. Just like Miko's leash, stuff like that. So I'm just gonna head downstairs to go meet up with Brayden. So I will see you guys in the car.
Ready.
Miko loves car rides. Hey, buddy.
Yo, he's such a good car dog.
He's such a good car dog.
To IKEA. IKEA. We're in IKEA. We made it.
Yeah. Ooh, they have candles.
Ooh, I like that kitchen.
Pretty nice.
It's okay. I think it's.
I don't love it.
It's
not
too
really
like
my style.
not modern.
Actually, in the store.
Miko is too. Look, he's so happy to be back in IKEA. This kitchen is very bachelor.
Yeah.
But honestly, I love it.
That was not really.
I think I like the frosted ones more, to be honest. That's nice, but I think
But
the frosted
ones
is
will be
better.
like more like dim and subtle.
Dude, I looked at that light way too long and now I can't see anything.
Okay, fine. Okay, this is it.
Oh, we found it. Yes.
Aisle 14, bin 0.
Okay, cool.
Should I take a picture of it with my phone?
No, I have it on your camera actually,
Oh,
so
true.
you're good, babe.
So yeah.
Cool. Whoa, this is sick. This is vibes. What is up, America? If your bathroom is this big, you should get a bougie toilet. Nice. Wow, you are glowing.
Oh, thank you.
Miko is also glowing.
Miko's here.
Yeah, he's confused. It's like room after room.
Yeah.
It's like so many different houses.
Yeah, he's so cool.
Yeah, we needed to stop because look how proper Miko is.
He's so polite. He just...
Dude, I love you so much.
That little bed.
I see it in the distance. Right there.
It's so windy outside, so my hair was blowing everywhere, so excuse my messy hair right now. But we just got out. We're about to go get some lunch because we are starving. Raiden's back. It's also very hot in this car, so we should definitely blast the AC right now.
Oh my god, it's so hot.
It's so hot. I've been sitting in this for a minute. Literally the best behaved dog ever. He's so chill. He just sat in my arms the entire time in there and just observed everything. Oh, Miki.
This looks so good. Oh my god. Yes, do it. Do the squeeze. Miko's like, what is this?
Yeah, Miko's so confused.
Oh.
How is it? Is it good? Okay, let me try.
Oh my god, that's so good.
We got booster juice. We haven't had this in so long.
Dude, that's a really good BJ. Refreshing. That's a
We
good
got the marathon for all of my Canadians. We got a marathon, but we made it vegan, so no frozen yogurt and just extra fruit. Guys, this booster juice was literally so good. We also got Miko a little thing of iced water and he was drinking it. And now we're gonna take Miko to PetSmart. Okay guys, we are now going through a drive-thru because we are fading a little bit. Like, I forgot how exhausting shopping is, but it's really a lot. Like, shopping just takes it out of you.
My allergies just got so bad like the last 3 seconds.
Oh my god, my allergies are not bad at all. I took allergy medicine today.
2 medium iced coffees with almond milk and no sweetener. No, that's it.
First, we have to put together our new night table. So we're
I forgot we have to build it tonight.
Yeah, we have to build it. We should definitely get some alcohol for that. Make it a little more interesting.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Vibing.
Just living life.
It's like vibe meter always turned up.
Also, you guys, we went into HomeSense and I feel like I used to go into HomeSense and just buy so much stuff that I didn't need. But
Yeah.
I was standing around and I was like, what did I used to come in here for? Because there's not really that much
Stuff.
shit that I need from there.
Everything in HomeSense is something you do not need.
Yeah, and we
Like
still got stuff
Marshall's,
that we
Winners,
didn't need.
HomeSense.
Yeah.
I don't know the American equivalent.
It would be
but-
Home Goods and TJ Maxx. You're so close.
So close. Perfect. On a debit, please. Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Here, you can put yours in the cup holder.
Okay. Do you want to just grab? Oh.
Yeah, I got it.
Thank you.
Okay, so we just got back home and we just had like a little snack. We just had some chips and hummus, and now we're gonna get to building the thing, so I will show you guys. So I showed you earlier, I moved the mirror that used to be here. So it's kind of hard to see because it's so bright in here right now, but we're gonna put a side table there and there. We got Miko some little dog treats. They're like little bone things to chew on, and he loves it. Look at him. He's having the time of his life. He's making such a mess. Okay, so we have the 2 night tables in here. We're gonna start building these things. Okay guys, we're making some progress. Miko decided to join us. Finished our night tables. It's dark. I'll show you again in the morning, but we put our new little lights here and they look so cool. Hey Google, turn the bedroom lights to candlelight.
So nice.
They look so cool. Okay, I'm actually obsessed. Yay. But yeah, so these are our new nightstands. I'll show you again in the morning because it's very hard to see right now, but good morning guys, it is the next day. I wanted to show you the side tables in the daylight. Look how cute they look. I'm so obsessed. Don't mind the stuff outside, we have to clean that up. But this is what they look like. And now that we finally have all this finished, we're gonna hang some prints up there just so we can finish the bedroom. So I think we're gonna do either this one and the one over there or this one. We're trying to decide still. And then I think 2 of these will go in the living room. But yeah, it's slowly coming together, so we're gonna hang these up now. Wow.
Okay, nice, nice.
Cute. Okay, one more to go. Okay, so we settled on these two prints for the bedroom. I'm so happy, guys. The bedroom is finally starting to really come together. It looks like a real bedroom now. So that's cute. And now we have this print. And I think it would really add a lot of life into the kitchen if we put a print right here, because the kitchen is all like neutral tones. So I asked you guys on Instagram if you think that I should put a print here, but I think I'm feeling it. Should we do it?
Yeah, I definitely think it'll add a lot of Papa something.
Papa something, yeah.
They look really good, and I want to just like do more.
I know, I know. Yeah. Adding color is addicting because it really changes the space so much. Like our bedroom was so white and neutral yesterday, and now look how stunning it is.
I love it.
I love it. Okay, let's do it. So it's a little bit later in the day now, and I just finished getting ready because we're actually going out to a patio with some friends, which is so crazy to be able to see that because Toronto has been in lockdown since November, which I've said like 5,000 times, but yeah, it's really just like so exciting to actually be able to go out and live like a little bit of a normal life again. So I'm really happy, I'm in a great mood, but I'm gonna end off the vlog here. Brayden just ran out to go pick up a couple things, but we're about to make some dinner. We're making some spring rolls, some rice paper wrap, so I'm about to start making this. And that's gonna be the end of today's vlog. Oh, did I show you guys the updates? Yeah, I showed you this print that went up, and then the prints in the bedroom. I'm so happy with how they look. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys wanna see more moving content and just like home decor content and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna end off the vlog here because the water's boiling, so I need to go put some noodles in there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so, so much, and I hope you guys all have an amazing rest of your day. And I will see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye!